Ghetto superstar, that is what you are. Coming from afar, reaching for the stars. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl, pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the vibe, billing out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yelling, yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy.
Hey everyone. I guess you could say today is a pretty busy week for me because I am going to a Friendsgiving dinner later on today. But before that, I am celebrating someone's birthday at a race car track / arcade place, and it's 10 o'clock. I need to be at the race car tracks by 4, and I need to make my dish for the Friendsgiving, so I need to I'm about to start that now. Y'all about to cook with me.
Way back. simple true love. Yeah, but the shit ain't clear. Or could it be that it was all just so simple then? A teenage love, but you said he's just a friend. He moved around and he kept in touch through his friends. Like the world was young and we knew we couldn't rush. But whenever I got lonely or needed some advice, he gave me his shoulder. His words were very nice, but that is all behind me. 'Cause now there is no other. My love is his and his is mine. My friend became the love of my life. You are my friend and love of my life. I can't depend. Love of my life. Without you, baby, feels like a simple true love. Yeah, love of my life. You are.
Her mouth, I just walk out and blow some rag. You can smoke what you want, bro, just crack some pack. Look at this bitch all over me. Look at my wrist all froze. Look at my shirt from overseas. That don't make me no hoe. That don't make me no hoe for you. Everywhere you go, they know you. Can't be anti-social. I guess sometimes I need peace of mind.
Writer. Show up for the camera. Hey you guys, I am back home. I am blessed to be back home. I ended up staying over because it was just late, and I got in around like 8 something this morning, and now I'm about to take my shower, wash my face, you know, do all the things. But overall, it was a pretty cool chill night. I love this freaking hairstyle on me. I love it. Like, it was this girl that I seen on Pinterest, and she didn't do this style, but she definitely did something similar. So this hairstyle is inspired by her, or whoever she was inspired by. Yeah, it is Sunday, so we're gonna do the Sunday things, which is clean up a bit, cook. Oh, I forgot I have to cook dinner. Self-care, like I said, and just chill. So cook, clean, chill, the 3 C's for Sunday. This is so freaking dope. I want to do like more like creative hairstyles like this. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this in. I did take these buns out, like I took it out because I didn't want it pulling on my head like all day. I mean all night while I was sleeping, and it felt way better that way. I love the sweatshirt. I loved everything about me. I loved my outfit. I loved my makeup, even though I felt like my eyebrows was a bit dark on the ends. I could have, you know, been a little light-handed on that part, but I love my hair, my outfit, all that. Oh, my food to me was good. My parents had tasted the meat replacement, the vegan meat, whatever, and they said it tasted like regular meat, and I was like, okay, yeah. So I guess you can call me Chef Janai, because you can call me Jeff. You can call me Chef Janai if you want to, because you know, when I feel like cooking, I'm a cook, and it's gonna be good. The lasagna was great, y'all. So if y'all want to try it, y'all should definitely try it if y'all want to. I'm gonna put my hair up for my shower, and I'm gonna see y'all later. I don't know when I'm posting this. This might be a part of Vlogmas. Because I decided, I think early on in the week, that I'm going to do Vlogmas, or at least vlog birthday. How do you combine vlog and birthday? Vlog day, vlog, birth vlog. Never mind. So yeah, so it's either gonna be December up until my birthday, or up until Christmas Day. Either way, it's lit. Whatever I decide to do, I'ma push myself to do it. Push myself to complete all those days, posting every single day of December until those 2 days, depending. I'm gonna get off here before I start rambling. I just can't stop looking at my hair. Like, if anybody asks me, yes, this is my hair. I grew it myself. Thank you very much. But if I don't come here, if I don't hop back on here again today or to finish the vlog, I want to thank all of you for watching, tuning in, and yeah, I'm just grateful for that, because you can be watching someone else's vlog or doing something else, but you decided to click on my channel and click on this video, so appreciate that. I appreciate it. Peace, y'all. Love and joy.
To go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.